Okay. English versus Hindi. I'm in the favor of English. What about you, ma'am? I'm in the favor of Hindi. Okay. Okay. So shall you start? I start. You start. Okay. Let me start. Do you know what is English? English is an international language, and it in this era, in this era, if you know English, you can do anything. You can achieve anything. What about you? What think about your English? Listen, Hindi is a national language. No, ma'am. You are saying wrong. What? Hindi is not national language. How can you say that it is not a national language? English becomes international language. In whole universe. Listen, there are 27 states in the world, and in those states, all the people, all the states doesn't know about the English, but Hindi is a language which is known by all the class. Excuse me, I don't agree with it because Hindi is just a language, not Hindi is also a language. No, ma'am, how can you know? I can explain you, ma'am. You are here for learning English, not of course. So that is a language. That's why you are learning. I agree with you. Why are you standing here today? Why are you standing here today? For English? Yeah, for English. Why? So how can you say that Hindi is better than English? Because Hindi is a language. Listen, if you don't know English, how can you comprehend with the people? How can you comprehend with the people? If you don't know English, she's a girl. She doesn't know about the English, and you know about the Hindi. So how can you comprehend with her? Okay, ma'am. When you tell me my ma, how can you comprehend with her about her? Tell me. So she's her fault. She's her fault. Then you know. I told you English is a language, but apparently English is a language which is not known by all the people. But Hindi is not. Listen to me. Firstly, in this era, English is very important in Hindi. And if you know English, you can easily get job, you can easily hire person. I'm working from 3 years. Okay, and I'm not so much capable that I show that you can know little bit English. No. It's a correct. Why you are speaking English? Why you are speaking Hindi? You agree now? No. English is why you are speaking Hindi? No. If you know English, so you can also speak these words in English also, no? Why you are saying English? So sorry, ma'am. Language तो बहुत पकड़ा रहे हैं ना सर, बहुत जगह पकड़ा गया. अब ये प्रूव करके निकालना है कि how can you say that Hindi is better than English? I told my points to you that Hindi is a very important language that nobody in the universe, in the world, in ancient times Hindi is better than English, but in this time English is better than Hindi because it is an international language. I give you a few examples. Just see a businessman. Okay? Just see a businessman. Okay. I can give you example. I'm working from 3 years and I see a lot of people who doesn't educated, who doesn't know the English. First of all, who doesn't get education and who are not applicable for business and not applicable to business. In this era, there are many people who listen. They get the degree, but listen to me. No, I will really prove that Hindi is very important. I'm also firstly, you should listen. You listen. There are very few people. I see there are many few people. Just like the example of business. Let me speak now. I'm listening to you. There are lots of people like businessmen. All the people let's say give you another example. I see so many people around me that they get the degree of 12th standard and graduated, but he doesn't know even a basic knowledge of English. Yeah, you say right. No, they don't know English. They cannot enhance their life because they don't know English. You understand? I'm getting a point. What I'm saying, tell me. I am saying that there are lots of people around me which I see that he passes a degree and he gets a degree in his school at 12th standard and graduated, but he doesn't know even a single bit of knowledge of English. Listen, how a little bit of knowledge? You can आप समझो ना, आप ही खुद ही बता रहे हो इसलिए ऐसा नहीं है ना. I am telling you the importance of Hindi. He doesn't know the little bit of English. If he doesn't know about Hindi, so how can he face his students? Yeah, ma'am, Hindi. I am telling Hindi. Ma'am, this is the problem. I don't know. You cannot get it. I am saying that ये सुनी नहीं मैंने भी मेरी कौन समझ नहीं रही है. Listen to me, ma'am. I listen you. Okay. Now listen to me. You are saying you are giving me businessman example. Okay. And lots of children who are not crack exams and who are not getting job. No, I am not telling them. Listen to me. I am talking about if you give me businessman example. In this era, uneducated businessman can't grow their business to the next level. Educated, uneducated person. Okay. And they don't know English. They can't enhance their business to the next level. It is not possible with Hindi. Okay. Yeah, of course, ma'am. I am telling you. And health hall. It's a debate. And he talking me those children who get degree, है ना? Who get degree, and they are not they do not get any job. If these kinds of children they know English.
You cannot take it.
You may find someone maybe I understand you now. I can understand you. Okay, I listen to you. Tell me, as you said earlier, that if a person is uneducated, he cannot achieve any goal in his life, and he cannot earn money without the help of education. But I give you a valid proof and life to life result. Where I am working now, my owner is also uneducated, and that help. There are lots of educated people works here. So how can I say if he is not educated? I'm talking about uneducated person. I'm talking about English and Hindi, ma'am. Listen, if he is uneducated, I'm talking about Hindi and English, ma'am. I'm not talking about uneducated. I give you my point. Listen, if he is uneducated, he doesn't know the English. He knows English. That's why he is uneducated. Ma'am, he is an ancient